Hello adventurers! I meant to get this video out in March. However, like with many plans, life got in the way of them. The spring equinox is a time of rebirth and new life, though here in Minnesota it tends to be snowy and cold. Our last frost date isn't until the middle of May. We tend to get spring weather sometime in middle April with false spring. Then winter sets in again for a few weeks. If you are anything like me and constantly forgetting to prepare things to do on the solstices and equinoxes, I managed to make myself a list of simple things that can be done. For starters, if you live in a colder climate like me, take the equinox as a time to start your seeds. By the time Mother's Day comes around, and the seeds will be ready to plant outdoors, and the last frost date should be passed. Another easy thing to do is to set goals for the new year, or journaling. A bath with herbs and flowers is always appreciated as well.
Yeah.
Even just buying a bouquet of flowers and having them in your bedroom or kitchen is enough. If you are in a safe area to do so, have a bonfire. Or you could do like I did and clean your house, workstation, email, or computer files. I was lucky enough this year to have the equinox off from work, so I took the time to clean and reset my living space, perform some self-care, and tend to the animals outside and inside. Andy was very grateful that I managed to finally charge her favorite toy. The house finches were also happy when I refilled their bird feeders. Even now in May, as I finish editing this video, the house finches are enjoying the seeds and nuts I put out for them, though the squirrel is also enjoying the fruits of my labor.
I wonder if he'll come back. I think I need to fill that.
What's going on? Is it your favorite toy? Is your favorite toy ready to turn on? Let's turn it up a little bit.
On the Equinox, I spent most of my time taking down the winter decor and putting up spring replacements. I pillaged the art collection in the basement and found some art pieces I didn't even know we had. It took way too long, but I managed to put decor that everyone in the household would like. Hopefully next spring I will be able to do more stuff on the Equinox. We will just have to see what life has in store for me. I hope you all had a wonderful Equinox. As we get closer to the summer solstice, may you find balance. May you find your way home to yourself. May you bloom with creativity and new possibilities. May the energies of the season grant you rest and renewal in all things. Have a wonderful week. May all of your side quests be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling. Now to get all of this stuff back downstairs and sorted.